Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Open Excel and start by placing your raw data into one sheet so you can control changes. You should choose a template or a simple table structure to avoid messy ranges. This saves time later. Once done, name columns clearly and convert the range to a table. This enables structured references and automatic fills. Also, enable auto-save and relevant add-ins so formulas and macros run correctly. Make sure your file is in a shared location if others will edit. Now focus on cleaning and transforming. Import or paste data and immediately set correct data types because Excel treats text numbers differently. Then convert to a table and use named ranges so formulas stay robust when rows are added. Write clear formulas, start with SUMIFs for totals, use XLOOKUP or index/match for lookups, and prefer helper columns sparingly. Once your calculations work, create a pivot table to summarize and filter. This gives interactive view. Finish by auditing and protecting the workbook. Run error checking, trace precedents for complex formulas, and apply conditional formatting to flag anomalies. Then lock critical cells and protect sheets while keeping a version backup in case you need to revert. Before sharing, set the print area, adjust page breaks, and export in the required format. Use CSV for imports, PDF for reports. If something breaks, try recalculating F9. Check for hidden rows or text numbers, and restore the last good version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.